Hey everybody, welcome back. Coming at you here Friday, April 22nd, and it's already Statistic Friday. Hard to believe. And this week, we're going to be going over March's numbers of 2022. And all of these comparisons are, again, year over year. So we're looking at March of 2022 and March of 2021 and how they compare with one another. So let's just get right to it. So statewide, the median sales price is up 20.5% year over year. So the median sales price is up 20.5% year over year, putting the median sales price here in New Hampshire at $440,000. So that is the only number that's up. Everything else is down. And that means that the closed sales are down 23.1% to 811 closed transactions in all of the state of New Hampshire in the month of March of 2022. Average days on market are down 17.5% to a statewide average of 33 days on market. We have sales volume down just 4% to 429 million, and then we left the month with 1,149 pending transactions, which is 17.3% less than last year. So obviously real estate is very localized. So we're gonna take the state and we'll break it down by the 3 counties that I typically work in. So let's just jump into it. We have here Hillsborough County. So Hillsborough County's median sales price was $459,900, which is up 13.6%, which is obviously a little bit less than the state average. And then the sales volume was actually up by 3% to 107 million. Transactions that were closed were down 14.1% to 207. And then the average days on market were down 24.1% to 22 days here in Hillsborough County. Pending sales were down 22.5% to leaving March coming into April with only 289 pending transactions. We'll go into Rockingham County. We're going to take a look at the median sales price, which is up 28.3% to $590,000 is the median sales price in all of Rockingham County. Sales volume's down just by 1.4% to 122 million. Closed transactions are down 19.9% to 185 closed transactions. Average days on market were down just 2.9% to 34. And then pending sales were down 15.9% coming into April. And then last but not least, we'll take a look at Merrimack County. So Merrimack County's median sales price was up 29.1% to $393,750, and the sales volume was up 16% to 43 million. There were closed sales were actually only down 8.6% to 96 closed transactions. Average days on market actually went up in Merrimack County 7.9% to 41 days on market, and then pending transactions were down to 133, which is only a change of 7.6%. Again, real estate's very localized, and throughout our state, every county is definitely different. And what we're just seeing is just such a great migration of people and a great migration of wealth and where that is going. And it is still a great time to buy a house. I know it seems really tough with these high prices, but interest rates are going up, and I can predict that our next issue that we're going to be having here in the real estate market is affordability. We're already starting to see it where our affordability is going down because interest rates are going up, and obviously house prices continue to go up. So it's still a great time to purchase a home, and it's obviously a great time to sell a house. So if anybody has any questions about either of those, definitely don't hesitate to reach out to my team and I. We look forward to helping you and coming at you again next week.